Hi folks, it's Ewan here from Caterham Cars. We're here today to answer one of the most asked questions we get: how to fit harnesses. Now before you get into the car, the easiest thing to do first of all is loosen all 4 harness straps. To do that, grab the buckle, push the strap away from you and then pull towards you. And you do that on each of the 4 harnesses. So both waist straps and then both shoulder straps. Lift up and then pull down. That's because it's much easier once you're in the car to tighten them than it is to loosen them. Once they're all loosened, you can then get yourself into the car. First thing to do is grab the red buckle. You're then going to grab the other waist strap and you're going to locate it into the opposite hole and let it click. Once that's in, give the 2 straps a nice pull to get them nice and tight across your waist. You want to get that nice and tight so that when you put the shoulder straps in, it doesn't allow the buckle to ride up your chest. Once they're snug, put the 2 shoulder straps in the remaining 2 holes, and then as before, grab the loose straps and just get them nice and tight. So as you can see, we're now in the car. Now you want the harnesses to be tight, but not over tight so it's uncomfortable. A little bit of slack like this, just enough to be able to lean forward and back if you're leaning to look out at junctions, for example. You want them nice and symmetrical, as you can see, with the red buckle right across your stomach. Now, there's obviously lots of benefits for the harnesses. Naturally, there is a safety benefit. Also, you do feel a lot more snug and tight in the car. If you're doing track days, for example, we're certainly not going to be moving anywhere. Harnesses such as these come standard on an R-Pack model. They're optional on any S-Pack. Prices for these are shown on the screen, along with cost to retrofit to your existing 7. Now to get out, it's nice and simple. All we have to do is just twist this buckle, release the harnesses, and then we can get out of the car.